Viori is blowing up right now. It doesn't matter where I go online, but I seem to be getting bombarded by ads for Viori's clothing. Now, I've tried a bunch of other sort of athleisure casual brands here on the channel, like Cuts, Mott & Bow, Build Basics. So I figured, you know what? Let's take the dive. I bought some of Viori's best-selling products. I'm gonna unbox them, I'm gonna try them on, and let's see if it's worth the hype or if they're just another dime a dozen brand. So I picked up 3 of Viori's best-selling menswear pieces. Right off the hop, love the packaging. It's paper, fully recyclable, really well done, very eco-conscious and eco-friendly. So first I've got this quarter zip in gray, really, really nice. Can wear this at work even, so it's not like too casual. Then I've got one of their full button-ups, long sleeve shirts with collar. And last I got one of the more traditional, I guess, Viori staple pieces, like the long sleeve tee in like a dark blue. This is just for casual wear, but it'll be interesting to compare this to my other sort of casual athleisure wear pieces that I've got from Cuts, Built, Mott & Bow, and see how it stacks up. All right, so 2 things. One, I'm using the DJI mic for the first time, the lavalier mic. So let me know if the audio quality is any good. And second of all, I've left all the tags on just in case I don't like them and I want to return them. So anyways, without further ado, let's look at the first piece here. All right, so this is the staple piece, the like classic, they call it the stratotech long sleeve tee. This is navy heather, interesting color name, navy heather. And everything I bought is a size medium because I usually fit a medium, except in very odd edge cases where I'm a large. So I've read online that the Viori look is sort of tapered, like form-fitting, kind of like what Cuts and Build Basic do. And I would tend to agree. It's very slimming through the arms, showing off a little bit of my Christmas belly there in the middle. Yeah, fit is good. It's very comfortable, very soft to the touch. This was only $70, so not like a horrible price for a long sleeve tee, kind of in line with what I think the rest of the market is doing, competitive-wise, in terms of pricing. Yeah, all in all, I'm a fan of this one. Fits nicely, fits well, could definitely see myself being able to wear this, for a long period of time, and probably would be good to layer. And that's what I'm gonna do with the next 2 pieces. I'm gonna put the dress shirt on first, the long sleeve, and then I'm gonna layer on the quarter zip and see what that looks like together. So let's quickly change over. Okay, so this is the long sleeve knit twill, the button down, full length. It's a good length at the bottom here. I like a dress shirt with a bit more length so you can wear it untucked or tucked in, but it's not too long. Like some dress shirts come out like super long and then you can't like kind of wear them casually because it just looks a bit odd. Again, much like the stratotech, very fitting on the arms, very slimming in terms of fit. One thing I'm noticing right now, it was the same on this stratotech, but it didn't really bother me so much, but these tags at the backs on the Viori, I don't know why, but they're like obnoxiously long. Like I'm not even exaggerating. Look, this is the tag. Just to have the size and like where it's made and stuff, like that's a bit much. I don't know why they make them so long. Otherwise, I think the finish of this shirt is quite nice. Is it worth $78? Yeah, probably. I guess I'll have to wait and see how breathable it is if you could wear this kind of material on a hot summer's day, since it is like a knitted material. Remains to be seen, but the finish feels really good, and it's very slimming. So if you're more athletic, you'd probably like something like this. Now let's throw on the quarter zip. They call it the Coronado or Coronato, and let's see what that combo looks like. Okay, so this is the Coronato. It's the quarter zip up, as you can see here in the top. Again, wouldn't recommend you wear gray on gray. That's not really a great look, but you get the idea. I'm working with what I got here. A good fit. Again, this is a medium, nice and tapered at the bottom. Kind of got the, like holding material, stretching material, almost like an elastic banding here to kind of keep the shirt down. I do like that because some sweaters tend to have nothing at the bottom and they ride up. Quite long in the arms, which is very hard for somebody like me who's quite tall, 6'1", to find shirts that are long enough while also not being like super baggy. That's a problem that I always have. Is it worth $141 though? I don't know about that. This one's kind of a question mark for me. Unfortunately, the tag ripped off when I was putting it on, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to return it anymore, but this one is probably the only question mark. And the reason for that is it's kind of just like every other quarter zip out there in gray. Like, it doesn't feel like anything extremely special. The other two kind of had a nice material and fit and finish and were reasonably priced with the rest of the market. This one, I don't know. It's kind of a toss-up for me. I like it. It doesn't look bad. I just think it looks like everything else from your Banana Republics, your Gaps, your even Old Navies probably makes a quarter zip kind of like this. I don't know. Okay, so to summarize, Vuori clothing haul. 3 pieces, I spent $330 basically on 3 pieces. This quarter zip being the most expensive at $140, and the other 2 were basically $78 each. So Vuori material, quality, fit and finish, I'm going to give it a solid, 9 out of 10. They look nice, they feel nice, but pricing, I don't know. I think the first 2 I tried on were pretty decent value for the money, but this quarter zip again is pretty expensive for what it is and for what it looks like. It's nothing really special. So value, I give it like a 7 out of 10. Is it worth the hype? I don't know. I mean, compared to Cuts, Built, Mott & Bow, Lululemon, even Nike Dry Fit, pretty similar stuff on the long sleeve tee. The full button down is quite nice, very nice material. And again, it's like not too long, not too baggy, very fitting. That one I think is nice. The quarter zip really is the only one I'm kind of torn on whether I want to keep it or not, because I just have so many other pieces that look exactly like it in my wardrobe already. But let's have a conversation, guys, down in the comments. Let me know what you think of the pieces I bought. Are they worth the money? Should I keep them or return them? Are you Team Vuori? Are you a fan of the brand? Or is there other brands out there that you'd rather stick with? Looking forward to hearing your thoughts, as always, and we'll see you again soon in the next video.